So,
all right. Our next question, the lady in the black and green. Yes, please, if we can get a microphone to her.
Thank you so much. My name is Suhur. I came from a country which is called Somaliland. And I'm grateful to thank you for your kind welcome you provide us. And I'm great pleasure to ask you a request, not a question. You know, our country is peace and stable. We have a government, functional government. We have constitution. And still we didn't get any recognition from the international community, as well the African countries. So we are requesting for you to accept our request. We need a recognition.
That is, you've given me the most complicated task. Because there are international norms, there is all kinds of politics, there is a way to recognize an entity of government or country. I think you keep struggling with that. You keep proving your case until you reach that point. Yes, that's not all you can do. You keep saying, because you have Somalia, as it were, says how many years ago, and then all of those were part of it, right? And then over time, a number of things happened, either wrong or right. Then you started having, you have Somaliland. There are other entities I have heard that have developed. And then there is a struggle between saying, you know, we want to be independent, look, we are functioning as independent states. Then the federal government says, no, 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 you have been a part of us, we can't let you go. So there is that struggle. I can't give you an answer here that this is the way to achieve it. But as you said yourself, there are these international norms, international laws, and so we have to, I think, take our challenge through that process until we arrive at whatever each one wants.
Thank you.
But what is going on with the microphone? She wanted to say something. But please, check.
Oh, there we go.
Thank you, His Excellency President. Yes, I need to say something. As we know, we have to fulfill the criteria of statehood, and we fulfill it because we have the constitution, we have borders, we have the government functions, as well we have a population. And we took our independence before 27 years. So now we are struggling, and we are forcing, and we successfully held one man vote. So still we are struggling to get the recognition.
But at least you have taken it through the normal process, as we are saying.
Okay.
Are you doing that? So that at some point, maybe it isn't now, maybe tomorrow it will be. It is just this process and fulfilling certain criteria. And I can't.
Inshallah. Thank you, President.
Thank you. Your Excellency.